All right, guys. Welcome to this life-changing Amazon FBA lesson. I call it life-changing because I've decided, to bring my life to the next level, make changes, especially in this pandemic and the new year coming up. It's time for changes. So yes, I've decided to make the change and move forward. And I asked myself, what could I best do on when it comes to making money online? And for me personally, I was researching. I think starting off with an Amazon FBA business will be most appropriate. I haven't registered my Amazon seller account yet because I want to spend the time and take a look at other products or as many products as I can and then categorize and group a few products and then decide. So, welcome to this lesson. Let's jump into my computer together and let's go have fun. All right. All right, guys. So, as you can see here, I am in the kitchen, household, and living category. And now I'm going to take a look at bath accessories. Besides, I'm taking close look at the German market because I live in Germany, and of course, living in Germany, I could sell in the US and in Germany as well. But I believe, even though the German market is small, I want to give Germany and Europe a chance. So I'll start off with Germany and then move to the States. Um, yes, as the business grows. So this is my initial stages. Just come in with me and let's do this together. So I'll start off with bad accessories. And besides this is fully in German. So sometimes we have to go look up the translation, but I will do that together. All right, so I'm here on this first page and already see a few beautiful products. This looks, no, this is a normal commodity product. All normal commodity product. This looks quite interesting. I like the design of this product here, the design as well. Yeah, I'm always looking for something, quite unusual, something beautiful for the eye, something that everyone will go, hey, what's this product? So looking through, so I'm just going to use Jungle Scout to make my search easy. As we see here, over 400 pages. That's quite a lot. I think this market is very, very competitive. But let's call up Jungle Scout. All right, so there we go. These are the products. So this looks interesting. So I'll open this product in a new tab. I'll open this as well. This looks interesting. All right. This is a product of high demand and high competition. All right. Let's see what happens. The problem is anytime I refresh, it doesn't load to the next pages, so I'll just try here. And I'll call up on Jungle Scout again. Oh. Still loading. Okay, I'll load again. Oh, now it's working. Seems to be loading all the other pages as well. Awesome. So you just have to keep, Jungle Scout makes the search so easy. Just imagine I have to go through all these pages and look at them manually. I think it will be quite a tedious act. So if you can get Jungle Scout, do get it. If your budget allows it, do get it, because it will make your life so much easier. That's the beautiful thing about e-com. I'm at home. I'm still in bed, but sometimes I work 5 to 6 hours a day in my room. So especially at this time during the pandemic, hashtag stay at home. So yeah, it's the best you could be doing. All right, so let's keep searching. I'll load more pages. In the meantime, I'll put out my search criteria. I'll just filter now. So let's just see. Let's just wait for the filter to come up. So my price range will be between, let's say, 14 euros and 80 euro for this product. I don't want a review of more than 1,000. Maximum review 1,000. Lowest rank. My ranking for this is 100 to 5,000. All right, apply changes. Oh my goodness. No. Oh, there we go. 5 products. Okay. But I'll still keep searching. Let me take a look at the products. Oh, okay. This looks very interesting. Okay. Now this I wouldn't sell. This product, no way. Bad accessories, a set, no, not at all. This looks awesome. And this I wouldn't sell. This looks way too common. All right. So I'll come up and close these other products. Well, this still looks pretty promising, but it just doesn't fit the search criteria. But you know what? We'll still take a look at it. Oh my God. Oh, there it is. So let me open this in a new tab. This in a new tab as well. Not this. And maybe this in a new tab. So there we go. Wow. Power up my, there we go. So we'll take a rough sketch, or just a rough sketch at these products. Let's see what we're gonna get. All right, so these products look awesome. Different variations. All right, let's run a product search with Jungle Scout. And let's see what we're gonna get. So to translate what this is Disinfektionsspender automatisch. Let's see what Google says. Deutsch, English. Automatic disinfectant. All right. So let's go see. There we go. Opportunity score of 5 with low competition. Average monthly sales 395. So at least we're looking for products with at least 300 monthly sales, or 300 average monthly sales, better said. An average price of 20 to 21 is still okay. All right, let me run my filter. Low price. Let's say 14, 80,000. Lowest ranking, let's go for 100 to 5,000. Let's run the search. So we already found 2 that fit with an average monthly sale of 3,000. That's quite a lot. Yes, let's say the products look quite similar.